Kate Bush in the woods. We've come to do a video like you do. Best I can do at the moment, the outfit. I'm no Kate Bush, I can tell you that, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to attempt to do your Kate Bush Wuthering Heights red dress video for you, demo. No Kate Bush. She's so beautiful and elegant and still is. And I'm going to do my best, and I've tried to simplify it a bit and make it a little bit more inclusive. And I hope the way I do it, I'm going to do the demonstration first, then I'm going to turn my back to you to do the dance, which should work, should make better sense. But what we're going to do is, rather than she kneels, doesn't she? We're not going to do that. We're going to start at Cliftonville with our standing like this, and it goes out on a windy, windy moor, sweet roll under. Don't know the words, right? So up, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4. You had a temper like my jealousy, too hard, too greedy. So quite simple so far. Da 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 da. Out on a windy, windy moor, sweet roll of horny green. Look to your right, like my jealousy, too hard, too greedy. How could you leave me when I needed to possess you? I hated you, I loved you too. That's sort of how she does it. So let's just do that bit again. So we went, you had a temper like my jealousy, too hard, too greedy. How could you leave me when I needed to possess you? I hated you, I loved you too. Okay? We're going to be doing this on the day anyway, and we'll make it fun. Nobody's got to stress about it. Hated you, I loved you too. Then we've got the bad dreams in the night. Oh, I'm so okay. There's nothing to do without coming home to Wuthering Heights. Okay, so that walk, it doesn't matter. You can just walk like that, like zombies. I'm just trying to be so Kate with a 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Foot went down a rabbit hole. That's fine. That's fine. Injured Kate. So Wuthering Heights. Right. Heathcliff out. It's me, a Kathy. Now I'm simplifying this bit a bit because it's a bit fussy. So let's do that again. Heathcliff, it's me, a Kathy. I've come home, so cold. Let's do it again. Heathcliff, it's me, a Kathy. I've come home, so cold. Let me in at your window. Oh. And again, it's me. I've come home, so cold. Me in at your window. Right, so far so good, I think. Then we've got what they call carrying the place. I don't even know the words, I can't sing, but I'm hoping this makes it simple, gives you a head start. Like I say, nobody's got to worry about a thing because it's going to be fun. So, oh, it gets dark, it gets lonely on the other side. Train, view. Now, she does this step, we're just going to make it easy. And hip, hip. So let me do that again. It gets lonely on the other side of you. Right, now this is where she goes back. I'm not doing that, are you? And we're just going to go back and forward. That's where she leans and goes back. I'm not even going to attempt to do that and get back up, okay? So we're just going to simplify that. So we've gone da, 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 and we're going to go back with our arm and over. So we've now got what they call the Macarena to make it easy. So we've got in, out, out. One time my master. Na, 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 na. Then we got the skiing step. Coming home to Wuthering Heights. My so cold, let me in at your window. Come home, my so cold, me in at your window. Then we've got the pull. Ooh, let me pull your soul away. So we've pulled our soul away. Now Kate does like a back, knees out for this bit. We're not going to make it so complicated at all. So we're just going to go soul away. You just step back and waft your arms. Then you. Then we go to Kathy and round and round. Glad that it starts again. I hope that simplifies it a little bit and makes sense. We've got an hour on the day. It's going to be brilliant. And at the end of the day, what's really important is we have fun. Everybody's in their red, men, children, women, and we're raising money for brilliant causes, of course. That's what's important, going out and having fun. So if I can do that demo in 5 minutes and try and simplify it for you, because it can get a little bit complicated, we're going to smash it. It's just going to be a fabulous day, and looking forward to seeing how much money we've all raised. Right.
You had a temper like my jealousy, too hard, too greedy. How could you leave me when I needed to possess you? I hated you, I loved you too. Bad dreams in the night. He told me I was going to lose the fight, leave behind my woman.